Good afternoon, good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to the Littlesilver channel, and I hope you're doing all great. In this video today, we are going to look at the new technological advancement for an electric car, which is Nevera Rimac, and it's in Croatia pavilion. And thumbs up because Croatia is a visa-free country for most of the countries, including Kenya. As you all know, that Expo 2020 is showcasing the sustainability, future of mobility and opportunities in the world to come. You're welcome to this video.
It's all electric, and it's the fastest electric car in the world. The top speed is 412 kilometers per hour, and it goes from 0 to 100 in less than 2 seconds, and from 0 to 300 in less than 10 seconds.
It's already operational.
Yes.
It's
called
Nevera.
After a Croatian storm that appears suddenly, quick, followed by lightning. And with one battery charge, the range is 550 kilometers. Tree from Croatia.
This is an olive tree.
Yeah, and it's a real one.
Okay.
And it's over 200 years old. We produce olive oil, really good ones. So when you visit Croatia, you should definitely try it.
Okay. So this is
a real one, yes.
How old?
Over 200 years. It gets watered regularly, and it has its artificial lighting that is sufficient for it to
grow.
Yeah.
So when did you bring it here?
I'm not sure. Somewhere in September, I believe.
Wow. Also, Croatia is known for olive oil.
Olive oil,
and
tourism, Dubrovnik, Game of Thrones, 11 national parks, 8 national parks, 11 nature parks, a beautiful coast, over 1,000 islands, our beautiful capital Zagreb, and the Christmas market, our beautiful Slavonia. It's a part of Croatia where there's a lot of people who are living from agriculture. This is it for this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you do subscribe. See you in another video. Bye.